Welcome to Corsehouse Commercials. Our machine of the week this week is a Hyundai R25Z-9AK 2.7 tonne excavator. .7 tonnes means it's towable with the correct vehicle. It's piped for hammer and attachments, and it comes with 3 buckets, and it's also fitted with a hydraulic quick hitch and a blade. Offset boom, and that's fitted with a work light on the boom. And this machine also has an extra counterweight on the back, so it's a good stable machine. Easy access for servicing, and a great size cab. Nice comfy cab there. Comes with a radio, and it's got 2-speed tracking. It's a great size cab. Easy access for servicing. This is a Kubota engine in this machine. We have this machine in stock at our yard in Stewarton, 20 minutes from Glasgow. More pictures and full information are available on the website at corsehouse.co.uk.